Hi guys, today I will show you the sun shades from WeatherTech for Lexus GX550. This set comes for the whole vehicle, and as you can see it also comes in this protective pouch. They all come wrapped up like this. The cool thing about these sunshades is they can be installed both in summer, when this side reflects the sun, and you can also install the same sunshade in winter. In this case it will actually attract the sun with this surface and make your vehicle a little bit warmer. So you have this type. These ones I believe are for the rear windows. We have this guy right here. This shade is for the rear door windows. We've got the same one, the second one on the other side. We have one for the hatchback, for the hatch door, for the window. We have ones for the front glass for the doors, two of them, and we have one for the main one for the windshield. Like I said guys, the whole set, and right now I will show you how to install it. I will start with the windshield piece. So first it will... Okay, we have a radar here, that's why we have to be careful, but in general guys, this is how it will be installed. And currently I'm actually using the black side, the one which is meant for the winter. The shade holds itself in place, you simply push it in, and like we said guys, we have two options. We just use the black one for the winter, this one warms the vehicle, and you install this one which reflects the sun in the summer. And besides that, it blocks all the sun in case if you are camping, if you want to stay in the vehicle, you can install these on all the windows in the vehicle. And this is how it looks like from the outside. This one is for the front doors. The cool thing is it holds itself in place. You simply push it inside. Very straightforward, anybody can do this one. One for the left side. For the rear doors, we'll start installation from the top, then push the bottom inside, and as you can see guys, even though we have these hooks for the sunshade, we still easily installed the new one. Same on the left side. First the top goes in, then we push the bottom down. Set comes with the sunshades for the rear windows as well, but in our case we have this Moly panel installed in our vehicle, that's why we won't be using these much. But if you guys don't have this panel, you can definitely install these ones, and the installation will be as simple. And the last shade is for the hatch door. In a similar manner, we push it inside guys, and it attaches itself. There's a camera right here that will be slightly in the way, but the shelf still can be attached like that. And this is how it looks like from the inside of the vehicle, almost complete darkness. Now I'll show you how to remove them. Very simple, guys. Simply pull them off one by one. Some of them will have this loop which can be used to remove these shades. When you want to remove all your sunshades, you put the windshield one on the bottom, this is the biggest piece, and just stack the rest of them on top. Then put them all together like this, and then start wrapping them up. And now you will be able to put them all back inside this bag. That's it. It's a great solution if you guys live in a hot climate or if you go camping. You can use this set. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.